With Printify's Print on Demand, you can sell customizable products when customers can add their own name, date, or special messages all within a few clicks. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to sell personalized products with Printify step by step. Let's get started. If you're new to Print on Demand, here's how it works. You upload a design, list it on Etsy or Shopify, and then when somebody buys it, Printify automatically prints it and ships the product. No need to hold inventory, no upfront costs, just pure profit potential. And the best part is that with Printify's personalization feature, customers can customize products directly in your Etsy store, for example, making your listings more unique and in demand. So Printify is one of the best platforms for print on demand because it gives you access to over 900 customizable products. It connects with multiple suppliers worldwide and allows you to add personalization effortlessly. So you can choose a print provider based on price, location, and quality, so you always get the best margins. Now, if you're thinking of starting print on demand with Printify and are thinking how much can you earn, let's break it down. So if you sell a personalized sweatshirt, for example, for $45 and your Printify cost is around $20, you're making a $25 profit per sale. If you sell just 10 a day, that's over $7,500 a month. Now imagine scaling your shop with multiple products. The potential is huge. Now let me show you how to create personalized products step by step and list them to your Etsy store or Shopify store or whatever your website is. Each of the products that I'm showing you are unique and tailored to a specific niche. So let's start with a women's personalized sweatshirt. Let's say that a great niche would be a birth flower sweatshirt. So customers can choose their birth month, and we'll have Printify auto-generate a design with a matching flower. You can do that with their AI generator, or you can just add one that you've designed in Kittle, Canva, whatever it is. So for example, you can add to the sweatshirt born in month and then enable personalization so buyers can add their own birth month at checkout. Or you can do this with their birthday with different wildflowers on a sweatshirt or anything like it. So you're going to start with the base design that you're going to have for your sweatshirt. You're going to allow people to choose their sweatshirt color in your shop and their size, obviously. And then you will enable personalization, which I'm going to talk more about a bit later. So they'll be able to personalize the birth month or their name on the sweatshirt or whatever words you want them to add. Another example is a men's personalized t-shirt. So for example, you can do a personalized gym motivation tee. So you can add a cool text design that says John's Gym Grin. It says the name and gym something. You can add a fun quote. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas. So it can be, for example, Alex's gym grin or Alex's gym wear or something like that. So customers can enter their name and Printify will generate the personalized version for them. And it is perfect for fitness lovers. So you'll be able to add that personalization option. Then for a kid's birthday t-shirt, for example, you can do a fun, colorful space theme design on a kid's t-shirt. So you can go to Printify's catalog, choose the personalization picks, and you have multiple products that you can choose from. So for example, for a kid's t-shirt, you can do a custom birthday party t-shirt, or you can do a custom design or for a certain event t-shirt where parents can just add their kids' names or birth month or birth date or anything else. So for example, let's do one for a space themed birthday shirt. You can say Captain Alex's 5th birthday mission, and you can make their birthday extra special, and you can get similar t-shirts for their friends so that they all have matching t-shirts for the birthday party. So this is a great product idea that includes personalization. Then you can do a custom mug for pet lovers, and you can add a mug, use Printify personalization to add a pet's name, for example. So you can do this mug belongs to and add the pet name that they can personalize and do a cute pet paw design. This makes the perfect gift for people that have fur babies. So you can do the general design and then people can add their own pet's name on the mug. Another product idea is a personalized notebook for entrepreneurs or freelancers or someone that you know needs it and would love it. And you can create a stylish minimalist notebook, and then you can do a sleek design that says ideas and plans of Rachel, Amanda's amazing ideas, or Amanda's amazing plans, or something like that. So this is perfect for business owners, students, or creatives, and you can ask people to get their own name. This makes a perfect gift, so when people want to personalize it, they can offer it as a gift and so on. So how do you actually list and sell these personalized products with Printify? You will have to publish the product on Etsy or Shopify. But first you go to Printify, you select your product, you add your design, and then you will find the title and the description that you'll need to modify. So you'll need to add personalized t-shirt in the title and description so that they know that it is personalizable. So after you preview the mockups, you preview the design and everything else, you will see the option to enable personalization, and you will be able to do that, and then you'll be able to publish that product either to your Etsy store or to your Shopify store, or any store that you have, WooCommerce or anything else. So you'll be able to list them on Etsy or on Shopify. So to upload it there, you will need to first connect your store. So you need to connect your Etsy store or your Shopify store, and buyers will be able to enter their text or name before checkout. So when an order comes in, Printify will notify you so you can approve the design. This happens specifically for Shopify because with Etsy, you can do automated personalization. So the text will update automatically. You just need to review and approve it. But with Shopify, that feature doesn't exist yet. So you'll need to just preview and approve the designs, and then you'll need to create the design inside Printify. You will not need to create a new product. You'll just duplicate the one that is already there, add the new name that people chose, so for the personalization, and you will just ship it to your customer. And then you will click publish and your products will be live. So you can do this for many products in your store, such as tumblers, coffee mugs, notebooks, phone cases, and anything else that you think people might want to be personalized. And usually people love that, having something that matches their own style and has their name on it as well. And these will be products that gift lovers and gift givers will really search for. And that is it. Printify personalized products that are ready to go into your shop and make you more sales. So with Printify, you can design these with ease and grow your business really fast. Go ahead and click the link below and sign up for Printify today for really amazing products at a high quality that are going to give you the best profit margin on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos. Watch more right over here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!